Hello, Mary. Yesterday I spent all 5 minutes explaining you, not explaining, working with mistakes. I just spoke about my mistakes and tried to fix them. And this very important thing that I know that I should do every day, but not every day, but very often. But if I do it every day, it doesn't allow me to go ahead to develop my thoughts. And now I decided that I will I will develop my thoughts rather than to work with mistakes. And maybe tomorrow, when I watched it, I will speak about mistakes. Okay, it's the method. Yeah, you just record yourself with the video and then you look at your at your speech and try to fix everything what you can notice. It's very effective. It works. I completely no, completely, okay, I know that it works because I did it more than 3 months and I see a progress. I can watch my previous videos and I say, oh, it's fucking crap, I can speak fluently in that video, but in this video, but or this, okay, it doesn't matter. But now I can do it better, and I feel, the most important, that I feel that I can do it better. I feel that I can speak in English without translating my thoughts from Russian. But in order to do it, I made a lot of work with thinking. I thought a lot about something that I can speak in English, and after I thought maybe 1 or 2 hours about some stuff, I can speak about this stuff using camera and trying to explain it to myself. I think that speaking and thinking it's the same thing, but what's difference? What is difference between this stuff? Thinking, it is speaking to yourself. When you are thinking, you just use your inner voice and you speak with yourself, with your language, or maybe your own language, maybe foreign language, but nonetheless you speak with yourself with inner voice. But when you begin to do it out loud, when you begin to speak out loud, it becomes the same thinking, but you need to understand that it happens when you speak to yourself, because speaking, it's usually it is speaking with someone else, and if you speak with someone else, it's communication, conversation, speaking, and so on. But when you speak with yourself, it's thinking, and when you do it with inner voice, it's one kind of thinking. And when you use your your voice when you speak out loud, it's other kind of speaking and other kind of thinking, another kind of thinking. But now it's not thinking, I just speak with you, I am trying to communicate with you, and of course I imagine that you are here, if I can say such. You are here, and I just trying to explain you some idea how to speak with yourself, how to think, and so on. 1 minute. I have 1 minute. I was going to speak about my exercise, about writing, and now I show you how I do that. I think that you need to improve all of your skills. I mentioned about it before, and one of the important skill is writing. And for me, it's very easy exercise. I just take the information that I like. For example, now I use site wait but why. A site wait but why. It's about amazing stuff. I can say that it's something special. It's about neurophysiology, about new companies, about brain, about what? About future, about present, about anything, anything interesting. But the man who writes it, who created this site, is very smart. I watched him in TED. I found him in TED, and then I found his site, and for me it was very interesting. Interesting. I don't like this word. Okay. I use his text, and what I do, I just open site. There are now I work with big article that calls Neuralink and Brain Magic Future. It's very long article. I work with it more than 6 months. Of course, I don't do it every day. I try to do it maybe every day during 1 week, but then I quit it. Next week I don't work with it, but then I again return to this work, and I speak more than 5 minutes, but nonetheless, there I want to speak more because it's important exercise. If you understand how it works and if you can use it, it improves your English tremendously. Okay, I just take an article and begin to rewrite everything what I found in this from the beginning. Yeah, I begin from that. Yeah, I just use one page and I rewrite an article, and I also underline words, yeah, that I don't know, and then I translate these words with Longman dictionary. I don't translate them from English into Russian. I try to understand meaning, use Longman dictionary, find a lot of examples how these words can be used, and work with this stuff. And one page per day. It's maybe 30, maybe 40 minutes, not more. And I do it. When I do it, I do it again. I do it again with pictures. I did it half a year, and at the end I use this how to say, this shape. Yeah, from one side of list. Yeah, I write the article. From other side, I write words that I don't know. I underline, write down, and I rewrite the meaning of these words. It's just exercise that I do 30 minutes per day, and not every day. And it helps me to understand how to read, how to write. It improves my skills, my writing skills, my reading skills. And also, it's very cool because anytime I can use these papers, it's this amount of work. Anytime I can use these papers, I can train my English using the words that I already know, find them in the context, translate them again and again, not into Russian, but trying to absorb these words and use it in my own speech, in my own writing, in what else, in anything. And when I do this exercise 30 minutes per day, I get a lot of benefits from that, and I feel it. It's very important. But I know that doesn't necessary to work with just one site. I I think that you can use any sites. You can use Wikipedia, articles from Wikipedia. You can use even video. You can translate. You can take subtitles of video and translate the subtitles. I did it before, and it was one of my exercise. I translated a lot of TED Talks. I translated videos from Crash Course, from Vsauce, from other, but I did it with translating into Russian. And now, when I can understand everything in English, I stopped translate from English to Russian. I began translate from English to English in order to completely understand meaning and work with meaning, not with translation. And I like this exercise. For the beginning it was something boring. I just sat and I didn't understand a lot of words, but now it's very likely. I sat and I have a joy from it. It's just to eat a piece of cake. For me, just to eat piece of cake when I spend 30 minutes every day and write this exercise, this stuff. Okay, my time is gone, but the battery will uncharge since 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Please uncharge. Okay, it 11 minutes. It's very long, very long. Usually it uncharge faster, maybe since 5, maybe since 10 minutes.